Trunad Visunichena Tarori Vasaisnuna Amanina Manadena Kirtanya Sada. This is Mahaprabhu's teaching. In the Sikhastagov, he teaches this thing. Trunad Visunichena Tarori Vasaisnuna Amanina Manadena Kirtanya Sadari. Unless you develop this mood, you cannot do Hari Bhajan. No. Tomar bhajan keval koitava. Isn't it? Tomar bhajan keval koitava. Unless you develop this mood, understand my language. Try to understand. Trunadavi sunichina taroriva saisnuna. Omanina manadena kirtanya sada hari. Most important words. Kaviraj Goswami says, make a garland of this verse and put around your neck, then do Hari Bhajan. Yes. Do you understand what does it mean? Thinking oneself much humbler than a blade of grass lying on the street. No pride. No false ego. This is Abhiman. No Abhiman. No pride. Do you understand? Such humility. Lowest of the law. I am lowest of the law. Last person, I am last. Everybody is superior to me. That is the mood. Everybody is superior to me. All are Vaishnavas but me. Yes, this is the mood. Yes, otherwise you cannot do. Be as tolerant as tree. Then Amani Manada, don't demand respect for yourself. Pay respect to one and all. Yes, because all are Vaishnavas. But me, pay respect to one and all. That is Amani Manada. Otherwise you cannot do Hari Bhajan. Here it says, this Bhakti Vinod Thakur. Samanda Danya bhajite bhajite abhimana heuduro. Then if I can get the mercy of you, so Vaishnava Thakur, then I can understand what is my relationship with the Lord. That will reveal to me, then under that, fixed on that, situated on that relationship, established on that relationship, if I will be engaged in a bhajan, then my pride will be, false ego will be destroyed, crushed. Ami to Vaishnava e buddhi hoile omani na hobo ami. Pratishtha asi hudaya dusive hoibo nirogami. If this thought enters into you that I am a Vaishnava, then I will demand respect. I cannot pay respect. Yes. Oh, don't you know who am I? I am a great sadhu, Vaishnava. This rascal, don't you know? Pay obeisance, pay. You demand. Yes. Is such a rascal? He doesn't know that I am such a great sadhu here, Vaishnava here. He came and just disregarded me. Yeah, isn't he? He's demanding respect, not paying respect. Respect cannot be demanded, it should be commanded. Yes, it should be commanded. If you develop this mood, you'll command. Automatic command, no demand. Yes. If you pay respect to one and all, you'll get respect. This is the secret. This is how you can command. But you are demanding, isn't it? Yes, such a rascal he is. He doesn't know etiquette. I'm so great Vaishnava here. He came here, but disrespected. Yes, isn't it? Oh yes. It's going on. Yeah. Disrespected, yes. This is demanding. No question demand. Ami to Vaishnava e buddhi hoila omani na hobo ami. Pratishtha sasi hudaya dusiva hoibo nirogami. This thought enters into you that I am Vaishnava, then you cannot pay respect. You cannot become a mani, a manuda. Then you'll run after this name, fame, prestige, adoration, this sugary robista, this tool of a hawk. Then my heart will be polluted. So I'll glide down to hell. Bhakti Vinod Thakur says, Tumar kinkara apne janiba guru abhimano tyaji, tumar ishishta padadalare sada niskapat vejo. Vaishnava Thakur, I am your eternal servant, kinkar. You are my eternal guru, I am your eternal disciple. I always aspire for your remnants, the dust from your feet and the water, feet washing water. I always aspire for it. Without duplicity. নিজের শ্রেষ্ঠ জানি উচ্ছিষ্টাদি জানে হবে অভিমান ভার তাই শিষ্যতর থাকিয়া সর্বদা না লইব পূজা কার I should not think that I am superior, I am Vaishnava, I am great sadhu, I am great guru. Then I will develop pride, false ego. I am your eternal disciple. I am your eternal disciple. In this, that it says, position I will be always there. I will never accept puja from anybody. Yes. অমানি মানদর হইলে কীর্তনে অধিকার দিবে তুমি তোমার চরণে নিষ্কপটে আমি কান্দিয়া লুটিও বলি দিস ইজ মোস্ট ইম্পর্টেন্ট অমানি মানদ হইলে কীর্তন অধিকার দিবে ইফ আই বিকাম অমানি মানদ আন্ডারস্ট্যান্ড মাই ল্যাঙ্গুয়েজ ইফ আই বিকাম অমানি মানদ দ্যাট মিনস ইফ আই পে রেসপেক্ট টু ওয়ান অ্যান্ড অল don't demand respect for myself, then it will give me that right for kirtan. I'll get that right for kirtan. Otherwise, I have no right. You will grant me that right. Adhikar dibe tumi. Tomar charane niskote ami kandiya lutiyo. Without duplicity, I'll roll down at your lotus feet, shedding tears and begging your mercy. Otherwise, I cannot get the mercy of the Lord directly, and I cannot achieve any perfection. That is what.